Hello, I just had a 20-minute rant video about how online universities drive is what is the word? Driving me insane is really taking the soul out of me. I'm 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 going crazy. There was a huge rant on that, and there was a huge rant on Alan Tudge and the Australian Prime Minister and their politics, and how Australian politics is the reason why I'm still stuck here. Is how their government can't take a stand and stick to it, which basically drives everything that they say completely valueless. There was a huge rant on that, and I just realized that I swore a couple of times in the middle, and it's too long, and I have to edit that. There are people interrupting me, someone just walked in the room. That's a lot of editing. So that 20-minute video you will never see. And now I have to record this whole thing over again. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog. And you know the feeling of when you have to repeat something that you've already done and completed the whole thing, and then you have to repeat something because you realized you did something wrong in the first one. Yeah, you feel pissed, right? You feel like I have to do this again, just waste more time. Not that I'm wasting my time recording this vlog. I totally love you all, even though I'm only getting 3 views, but love all 3 of you. New podcast is up. I have updated you about that. Oh, there's another this Chal Let's Sell in India podcast guest number 1, who had dropped the idea midway. We even talked on call once, but he had a personal emergency that he had to attend to, that he told me about, but I don't want to share this in public, obviously. So because of that, he didn't really join us on that day to shoot the podcast. And now I have already talked to the next guest, and we have talked on call. I have drafted the questions, kind of. We'll do them more, and we will shoot the podcast on Sunday, so you should be able to see the Chal Let's Sell in India podcast up, podcast number 001, up on Spotify, YouTube, by Wednesday, I would say, because upload speed, like I told you, is very slow. So you know what I do? I just leave my phone on and on upload for days. That's how I do it. so that's that. So we have a first guest for the podcast, and I'm thinking this week's Project Little India podcast, I will go on news and research about Israel versus Palestine, and all about the controversy and socio-political tensions that they're having right now. I don't really know or am informed about anything. I have seen a few stories here and there, and it seems like Palestine is going through a rough time with their, I think they're seeing a large number of killings and all that sort of thing. I'm not really much informed, so I felt like, in this age of misinformation, I would shoot a podcast about how I go through news, about how I read news, because I feel like people in India who only watch the mainstream news, they don't really get anything out of it, because that's too much masala, too much hype, too much exaggerated news, that there is no news left in that. So I felt like I will show how I research my news, how I actually watch my news whenever I do. About this topic, I want to get informed about. I wanted to do this about a week ago, but I didn't, because I wanted to shoot a podcast about it. So I'll shoot a podcast about this, I think Friday, Saturday, and it should go up live by Sunday or Monday. So next week you have 2 more podcasts coming. Other than that, okay, it's already 5 minutes, 5 more minutes to go. Okay, other than that, what else? Yeah. Uni, a lot of studying. Oh my god, I covered this also in the last video that I shot. Lot of studying to do. There is so much of studying to do. My exams are 3 weeks, 3 plus weeks, I would say. It's a lot of studying to do. uh, a lot of not studying, rather practice, a lot of practice to do, like I have like 3 math units. So you know how math is. So a lot of math studying, a lot of statistics, a lot of calculus, a lot of linear algebra, a lot of coding, a lot of debugging. Oh my, debugging hurts when you do it alone. I'm so lonely. I'm not crying, by the way. I'm just acting to cry. Debugging hurts when you're doing it alone. I mean, you really need some help sometimes, and I'm not getting any of it because of this online university. I'm not gonna continue this rant because I am not going to. Okay, yeah, that's it. I guess I'll just cut it short today. I spent way too much time on recording this. So, okay, bye bye. Stay home, work from home. Bye.